Did you know some animals are shockingly selfish? You won't believe what they do. First, the cuckoo birds. They lay eggs in other birds' nests, tricking them into raising their chicks, while their own babies get kicked out. Next up, lions. When a new male takes over a pride, he kills the cubs so the lionesses will mate with him. Lastly, hyenas. Hyena cubs fight at birth, and the stronger one may even eliminate its sibling to get all the food. Nature is brutal. Which of these animals surprised you the most? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild facts.